this video, I will show you how to open an account in Glassdoor. So what you need to do first is you need to go over to glassdoor.com, and once you are in there, you will land on this page, and then you can select to continue with Google, with Apple, or you can enter your email to create an account. I'm just going to log in with my Google, so I'm going to click on this option in here. And after that, you will be asked a couple of questions, and you need to fill in if you are employed. So I'm just going to fill in no, not currently. And then you just need to fill in your desired job title and desired location. So just go ahead and fill it in and then click on next. I'm just going to do something like this. Let's say I want to be an accountant in New York. Then I'm going to select New York in here. And then I'm going to click on send me updates when new jobs are available. And after I'm going to click on next. You can also fill in your industry, so you can just select that in here, and then you can give it a specialization. So let's say sales, and then click on next. And then Glassdoor will come up with a couple of communities that might be interesting to you. So you can just go ahead and add a community. So I'm going to click on this one and click on done. And after that, you are in your account, and then you're ready to use Glassdoor. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.